Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So over the next 7 minutes, you're gonna see everything it took me 6 months to create to get my Evo back on the road after it suffered catastrophic piston failure. All right, I was able to do it in, I don't remember the exact figures off the top of my head, but it cost under $20,000, more than $15,000. And I'm talking the pusher block, all the machine work included, all of the supporting parts, everything that you see in this video, the price tag came in under $20K. I bought the Evo with low compression for $12,500, so I'm all in a little over $30,000 with a 700 wheel horsepower street car that's easily capable of $1,000. I just need to upgrade my turbo setup, which is gonna come soon, and obviously I'll document that whole process. But look for that around tax time next year. Looking to upgrade a turbo that's gonna put me in the 850, possibly 900 wheel horsepower range, which is just gonna be absolutely fucking insane. So again, I hope you enjoy the video. This video proves that you can make way more horsepower reliably than you can with any Subaru, and I came from the Subaru world, so I know how that goes. The amount of money I put into this car roughly only got me to 400 wheel horsepower in my 05 STI back in 2011. So this car is a beast. It's unbelievable what the Evo Platinum platform is capable of, and I'm incredibly happy with the results. So again, I hope you all enjoy it, and subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for the next one. All right.
Alright, first time cranking over to build some oil pressure.